Hi, my name is Vitya and I'm the Global Head of Search and Social at M+C Saatchi Performance. I've been with the agency for 8 years, and the team I manage are essentially a group of platform specialists that are experts in the various search and social platforms, which include Google, Meta, TikTok, Snapchat, Reddit, and any other social and search biddable platforms. Search and social platforms are an important tool for marketers to advertise, because that's essentially where a lot of time is being spent. If you think about your day-to-day and the time that you spend on the various search and social platforms, from like Google search, Microsoft Bing, Facebook, TikTok, it adds up. Easily, one could spend at least 4 to 5 hours a day just on all of these platforms. So it's very important that as marketers, as advertisers, we capture our audience when they are in that space and in that zone. So we lead in this space globally through multiple initiatives. So to start with, we have very good partnerships with the various platforms. And through these partnerships, we get a lot of knowledge sharing by the partners. So that comes in the form of access to informational materials every time a new product feature or product update comes across. Could be in the form of events that we get invited to, and it also happens in the form of workshops between our clients and the agency and the partner, where we discuss new initiatives, new tests that we want to run for these clients, and how we want to measure them, so that all three of us could align on the right way forward. Beyond partner engagement, obviously we have to ensure that the team that manages these platforms are at the top end of the expertise, and they have very in-depth knowledge on the platform. We also have test and learn repositories where we put together the results of any test that we have done across the platforms for our clients.